Hey guys, it's Jeanine Amapola and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So for today's video, I'm going to be doing my quarantine routine. Now this was requested a bunch and we've been in quarantine for over a month and it might last another month. I'm pretty sure it's going to. Try not to cry thinking about that. But we've been in it for over a month, so I feel like I've gotten down a routine of just everything that I'm doing every day at home. So I live alone and I feel like I got like a little schedule down. So I'm gonna show you guys everything I do from pretty much when I wake up to, my workouts, to what I'm eating, to what I'm reading, what I'm watching. I mean, just everything. So this will be kind of like a day in my life, quarantine edition. And hopefully there'll be some good takeaway tips for you guys in here. If you're new here, I hope you'll subscribe and stick around for more of my videos. And if you guys want to see more of what I'm up to on a daily, regular basis, check out my Instagram, my TikTok, and my vlog channel. Those are all down below for you guys. And whew, yeah, I just woke up. This is fresh out of bed, so I wanted to keep this real and raw. And I'm about to make my bed, so let's show you guys a day in my life, quarantine edition. The next thing I've been doing every single morning is using my French press and making coffee. So this has been sitting here for the last 5-10 minutes, I don't know. Every single morning, if you've been a long time viewer, you know I have a cup of coffee every single morning. So now I'm gonna get this ready. Up next, what I like to do is before I make my breakfast, before I really do anything, I like to just journal and read my Bible for a little bit, and I'll like light a candle and put worship music on. Now obviously every day varies, but this has pretty much been my routine of quarantine. So I love to journal and just read the word and then just reflect on like life and how am I growing during the quarantine and everything of that sort. So I'm gonna do that, and then I'm gonna show you guys what I make for breakfast. Okay, so I read for a while, journaled for a while. It is now almost 10 a.m. and I haven't eaten yet, so I'm gonna make some breakfast. If you guys watch my vlog channel, you've seen what I've been eating a lot lately, but I haven't talked about it yet on my main channel. So I've been eating a lot of brown rice cakes. They're so good. I'm gonna show you guys my favorite way to eat them for like breakfast, and you guys can check them out too. So let's get to it. You need brown rice cakes, blueberries, almond butter, strawberries, and honey. And I'll show you guys how to whip it up, but it's super easy and so delicious. If you tried this, please let me know. So all you do is just toast these. You can get these at Trader Joe's, but you put them in the toaster for like a little bit, not too long because they toast really easily. And that's it. It is so good. I cannot wait for you guys to try this. Cheers. Bon appetit. It's that good. I could eat this every single day. Okay, on the next part of my day, I look a little scraggly, if you will. So I like to get ready for the day, like brush my teeth, put my hair, or fix my hair a little bit, wash my face, whole skincare routine, and then I'm gonna work out. So I like to just have my skin refreshed, because if I don't do my skin, it's just so dry. So I'm gonna do my skincare routine, and then we're gonna work out. And if you guys want a full skincare routine, check out the link down below. I have one already for you guys, so check that out down below. Alright friends, hello. It is now 11:15 and normally my day goes by a lot quicker than this, but because I've been like filming and having to like shift the lighting around and everything, it's been going a lot slower. However, now I'm going to do an at-home workout. I always drink the Celsius before that. This is the Celsius Heat. This is their proven performance one. So I've been doing a lot of at-home workouts. If you follow my Instagram, you've seen that, my vlog channel. Even on my YouTube, I have at-home workouts for you guys. So check those out if you're struggling. I'll show you guys kind of what I'm doing today. I really want to work on some booty today because my booty be getting small, y'all. I'm telling you. Yesterday I did cardio, so I've just been trying to alternate between weight training, cardio, walking, jump roping, and doing weights. So let's get to it. Okay, so my workout is done. So always whenever I'm working out, I'm also like filming content for Instagram because obviously we're all working out from home right now. So I showed you guys on my Instagram how to work out with rags. That's it. Tons of exercises you can do with them. So if you're not following my Instagram already, check that out. But yeah, so today I burned, in an hour, I burned 438 calories. I definitely was like lottie-dotting around a little bit because I was filming and everything. But it was a really good workout. So I'm starving now and I'm gonna make a protein shake. So let's head back to the kitchen and then we're gonna shower and get ready for the day. So I won't even lie, this is not the best smoothie I've ever made. It's still good, but the mixed grains kind of add a little bit of a funky taste, but it gets the job done. And cheers. Now I'm just gonna get ready for the day and do my makeup. Here's all my makeup. I usually get ready for live streams or filming or just any Instagram content that I'm doing if I'm filming, like I'm filming today, or if I'm playing music and filming. So like I just get ready for the day because honestly it helps me get in a better mood. Like there definitely are days where I just sit around and I don't do any makeup and I'm in loungy clothes, but it kind of helps me be in a better mood to like still do my makeup and get ready for the day. So that's what I'm doing. You guys can just enjoy this and watch me do a time lapse of me getting ready, and all the products will be listed down below. Okay, so this was the result of doing my makeup today. I just decided on a whim to do this. I don't know. The eyeshadow I used was from this palette today, the Urban Decay Beached eyeshadow palette. It's beautiful. Just went to town on it, so there's the look. Not really going anywhere, but I thought it would just be fun to do something different for today's video, so hopefully you guys will try this out. So since this is hair from after working out, I'm just gonna like dampen my braid and just kind of let it sit there for a little bit. Hopefully it'll get nice and cute and wavy, but for now I'm just gonna leave this braid in there. But this is today's makeup, hair, and outfit. So now we're at my desk and I'm gonna get some work done for today, and we're just gonna chill here for a little bit. There's lots of stuff I need to clean out. Okay, so it is now 5 o'clock. I'm very hungry. I got some work done. I did a live stream. For dinner, we're gonna be doing just shrimp. We're gonna be doing some shrimp stir fry, and it just sounds really good. It's easy to make. You just throw it on the stove and that's it. Yo, this dish is good. You get it from Trader Joe's. So good. Something that I also love are these. It's sparkling lemon mineral water from Trader Joe's. These really like curb, is that the word? Curb my hunger. And they satisfy kind of like the bubbly me because it's sparkling water. I love these. I really recommend these. Like I drink them all the time. When I want just like a fizzy drink that's not just plain water, this is your best friend. Y'all, I'm going crazy. It's already 6:30. I need to get outside for a little bit, so I might just go board for a little bit. So, let's go board. Not very good at boarding, but it's fun, so I do it. I've totally fallen on this thing multiple times before, but it's really fun. And I should probably be wearing a helmet. But I'm out here practicing, okay? Okay, I got back from my little fix of being outside. The sun is starting to set, so I'm gonna get into some comfy clothes and lounge, watch TV, edit a little bit, and might even play some Sims. Do you guys want to see me playing The Sims? Because I've had a couple people write me and be like, I want to watch you playing The Sims. So maybe I could do like a live stream of me playing The Sims. I don't even know how it works, but if you want that, please let me know because I've been playing during this quarantine and it's been really fun. So we're back. Y'all, it is so time for bed. I just binge watched an entire Netflix show. Thanks for watching. That was a day in my life, quarantine edition. Hope you guys enjoyed it. I'm exhausted. If you want to see more of what I've been doing, workouts, recipes, hauls, books I'm reading, chit chats, more into my life, check out my vlog channel, Jeanine TV, and my Instagram, Jeanine Amapola. Love you guys. It's time for me to count those sheep. Good night. Peace out, Girl Scout.